Hello friends! Today we are going to draw a rabbit. It will be a special rabbit for Chinese Lunar New Year. First of all, what we are going to do? We are going to start with drawing eyes. Here will be two circles right next to each other. 1 and 2. Here we are going to draw the curvy line that's coming down and up. One more is on the right, curvy line coming down and up. Here we will have a pupil. It will be a circle and a little shiny part. Small circle, one more. A pupil and a circle. And let's color in this part. Guys, don't forget you can always take your time. If you need, you can pause video. Let's continue with drawing here some lines, two short lines in each side. And let's draw a nose. It will be upside down triangle right here between the eyes. And now we are going to draw a smile. Will be curvy lines that coming to the left and curvy line coming to the right. Here we'll have little dots in the end of the curvy lines. And for drawing mouth, we'll draw a U shape that's coming down and up. And here we'll draw upside down U for drawing a tongue. And let's color in this white part. Now we are drawing the form of our rabbit's head. Here will be a curvy line, like big U shape, coming down underneath the chin and back up here. And let's draw upside down U for finishing the head. Let's continue with drawing U's it going up and down. Yes, right here. Here we need a guide point right above the nose in the center. And here we will draw bunny ears, will be floppy ears. The curvy line coming out, going around and back down. The same steps for inside part of the ear. Line coming out, around and back down. Let's draw one more ear. It will be curve coming out to the right, down and back. The same steps is for inside. Here will be line coming out, around and back. Yeah, it's our bunny's ears. And let's draw maybe some eyebrows. 1 and 2. Go on with drawing body for our bunny. Here we need two lines coming out of its head. It will be really big bunny, yeah, with big body. A little curvy line coming down, stop right here. The same is on the right. Line coming down and stop right here. And let's decorate the outfit for our bunny. Here we'll draw a little circle. 1 and 2. And connect them with two straight lines. One to the up and one here. The same steps is underneath. One little circle, two little circles, and connect them with a straight line. 1 and 2. Here we are going to continue drawing our outfit. Two straight lines coming down. Stop it right here. It goes behind this decoration. Two lines that continues previous to. Going down a bit. And here we will connect them to the part of our bunny's outfit. Let's go down, a curvy angle, and connect here, this side. The same steps is on the left. Line coming down, little curve, and to the left. Yes, and connect that side. Here we will continue this line a bit. It will be short part, and the same steps is on the left. Short part coming out. Here let's continue with parallel line that come in the same way. One and a bit upper, like that one, copy previous one. And up. Here will be the same steps. Line coming to the left, and here we connect them right there. And let's continue with drawing our bunny's feet. Here we need a short line that going across, and we need two straight lines that coming down for our bunny's legs. One and two. Here, let's continue a diagonal line that coming down and stop it right there. And let's draw a curvy line. It will be half of the circle that coming out, up, and back down for bunny's foot. Here, one more line connecting there. Let's continue with that one. Two short lines for paws. And here, let's do the same way. The line coming out of its body, going down and stop right here. Draw a semicircle that comes up and back down and connect at the bottom. Two short lines for paws and connect it over here. Move on to drawing our arms and hands for the bunny. Here will be a curvy line that coming out of its head and going a bit wider because it will be a little sleeve. And here, let's stop it and connect to the right. Let's continue this line, going a bit down and connect over there. And here will be a curvy line for the hand of our bunny. Curvy line for hand. The same steps is on the right. Curve coming out of its head, going a bit wider, stop right here, connect, sleeve, going down, connect, and a little part for its hand. It will be curvy line coming down and up. Let's continue with drawing a bag. It will be a little bag with money. Here will be two curvy lines that connects to each other. One and two. It will be our tight for our bag. Here will be two lines coming out on the left and on the right. And the bumpy lines that connect them. Bumpy line. Here will be the top of our bag with money. And we should draw some coins. It will be bunch of curves. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 here. And let's continue with drawing the bag, the main part of our bag. It will be line coming down to the left, stop here, and a bumpy line right at the bottom. Stop, turn to the right and back up. To the right and back up here. Here we will continue with some decorations. We will draw 2 loops, 1 and 2. Yeah, with inside parts, repeat the same steps. 1 and 2. And here we will continue with decoration of our bag. Will be 2 lines coming down, a little circle, and zigzag things here, zigzag lines. 2 lines coming down, a circle, 2 short lines, and connect with little zigzags. And now it's time to coloring. Don't forget, you can always pause the video, take your time. I finished drawing my Chinese rabbit. And guys, if I made mood for your Chinese New Year, please like the video. Happy everyone who celebrates it. Bye bye.